Hi my YouTube family, this is Melody from Home Garden and Fashion. I thank you so much for being here today. Today we're going to have a wonderful time together. Hi, today we're going to cook this turnip greens. So first thing for me to do is wash these thoroughly. They have a lot of mud, so I have to wash them maybe 10 times until they're thoroughly washed. Then I have to chop them into little pieces, and then I'm going to saute them with just salt, turmeric, garlic, and a little bit of garam masala powder, vegetable masala powder, and some jalapeno peppers. After I have washed and cleaned them, now I'm putting it to boil. So I'm going to boil it about 5 or 10 minutes, and this will make them soft for me to saute them properly. So here is my turnip greens. It's all washed, clean, and boiled a little bit to soften. And here is my cumin seed and garlic roasting in 1 teaspoon of olive oil. So once this garlic and cumin seeds are roasted, I'm going to add my boiled turnip green and cook it for 15-20 minutes in low heat until it's thoroughly cooked with salt, turmeric, little bit of garam masala powder, vegetable masala powder, and some jalapeno peppers. So my garlic is roasted brown, and I'm going to add my turnip greens to it. And to this I'm going to add a little bit of spices, salt, turmeric, garam masala powder, and vegetable masala powder, and cook it about 15-20 minutes in very low heat, and then I'll see you after that. So here's the turnip green, and it's look really awesome. You can add some sauteed peanuts to it to enhance the taste even further. Other than that, it's extremely tasty, so try it sometimes. Hi, thank you so much for being here today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share this video. Thank you. May God bless you all.